Today I'm going to show you how to add portfolio samples to your Fiverr account and get more gigs. So if you are new to Fiverr and you'd like to still display who you are, what you're about, and what you're capable of doing, you can go onto your profile page. Come all the way down over here, you'll see portfolio and past projects and click on start portfolio. Here you can click on create new project. Over here you can check this made on Fiverr, so this will be something that you've done on Fiverr, but what we can do is just click on create new project, seeing that we have nothing in here, and we are now going to add in a project name. So make sure that it is clear, descriptive, and it tells the potential clients that are viewing your profile exactly what you actually did here. Okay, then you're going to choose an industry. This is a drop down menu situation, so you can go ahead and you can select an industry, or you can just start typing. It'll give you your industry, and then the project duration. We want to know how long this took. Was it a 1 to 7 day quick little project, or was it a more than 6 month project? Where exactly are we standing? And then what did something like this actually cost? And this is a nice feature because you're able to put in what something like this cost, because clients are going to have a look at your profile and they're going to see exactly what your rates are, so they can choose whether or not they fit with their budget. Okay, and then you are going to choose the project start date, that's a month and the year, and then you can give the project a short description. Here you can share details about the actual client, your client's goals, or any challenges that may have come up and how you actually dealt with them. So depending on what type of work you do, you are able to just fill in the space so that it looks like you are a winner. You have any media that you'd like to add in here, you can do this. And then the first piece of media that you'll upload will be the preview for your thumbnail. This will be in 4:3 ratio. And then if you're unsure about what exactly to upload, you can go ahead and check out some suggestions to see exactly what it is. Once you're done with this, you'll be moving on to the link to catalog page. We're going to click on continue. So here we got the project category. So these details will ensure that some of your potential clients will see the most relevant projects when they actually view your profile. So here you can select at most 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and add some project categories here. All right, there we go. And this will take a little while just to generate, and you can see all the details over here. So you've got all of the details that you've added in here, and this is how they will essentially, any clients that are looking at this project will see your project. Go ahead and click on publish project. It'll take a few seconds just to publish. It will be stored over here under portfolio, and you can add multiple projects to make sure that whoever's viewing your profile, it looks good, it looks full, and it looks like you've been doing this for a long time. You've done a lot of different projects, and you are the person to hire if they are looking to hire.